All right. So can you solve this under 2 minutes? Okay. So we are given x times e raised to x plus e raised to 5. So solution. The only way out is to take lambda w function on both sides. Since alpha times e raised to alpha, and you take w function, the answer will be alpha. So we have similar situation here. Okay. So x times e raised to x equals e raised to 5. Once you take w function, okay, this side will be x, and we have w function of e to the power 5. All right. Subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.